What's the number one tool I love for tracking your finances? It's QuickBooks Online. Yes. Um, it can be pricey, right? I believe, somewhere around, it changes all the time, $100 a month. That's like $1,000 for entrepreneurs to track their business expenses. But if you're not using anything, it's probably costing you more than that. It's probably costing you time as well. And inside my Profitable Business Academy, I have a whole entire module that shows you all the ins and outs of QuickBooks Online. So, but I also have inside of there a custom made Excel sheet that will create a profit and loss for you. So, if yours like 50, your revenue is 50,000 or below, you can usually get away with a spreadsheet like profit and create a profit and loss statement on a spreadsheet. Like I said, I have a tool that actually creates the profit and loss for you by just simply copying, pasting your entries into it. It's really cool if I do say so myself. But it can save you a lot of time and energy. But as long as you're using something to track your monthly expenses and revenue, like, and help you stay on top of it so it's not this craziness at the end of the year trying to figure out how to submit your stuff to your accountant to get your taxes done. Um, Keeping on top of it every single month is important. And I like to say, if you're doing it all at once at the end of the year, the story's freaking over. You're not changing that story. Yours, if it's a fairy tale or if it's a nightmare, it's not changing. It's done. But if you're staying on top of it every single month and tracking it every single month, you get to see what's going on. You get to catch stuff that you might not have caught if you're doing it once a year. So, whether you use an Excel spreadsheet, a Google Sheet, or QuickBooks, I encourage you to track your finances through some sort of tool that will allow you to see it on a monthly basis and make decisions. Why? It's going to help you grow faster, right? It's also going to help you grow faster and become bigger and better and more amazing business. So, I also have a statistic I like to share from the Small Business Administration. Looking at your financial information in the form of a profit and loss statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement. Those are the three statements. You'll hear me say this a million times that you should look at every single month. Looking at those and understanding them, that's the key. You can look at them and be like, I don't know what these numbers say. But guess what? Nobody taught you how to understand them. That's why I'm here. Um, and that's okay. You're not supposed to know. I should know this. I'm a business owner. I should know this. I get so many entrepreneurs tell me this, like, oh, why should you know this? How should you know this? Who taught you this? Nobody's teaching you, unfortunately. You have to educate yourself, which is exactly why I created the Profitable Business Academy. So, but if you want to educate yourself, I'm here to help too. So that's why I help every single week by sharing these videos on what you need to know, how you need to grow your business, and what to use to do it. Um, so feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and I'd love to help.